So we got this situation. Let a0, a1 dot 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 a23 be real numbers such that expansion of this, if it will be expanded, you will have all the terms, means you will have 24 terms, means a0 x power 0, a1 x power 1. So you have every term of binomial expansion for every real number x. Let ar be the largest among the number this. So you have to find out the largest number. Okay. Now then r. So you have to find out the value of r. So look at this. So the idea is, you know that the formula is r equals n plus 1 by 1 plus first by second commod. Okay, so first thing is 1. Then we have second thing as 2x by 5. So 5 will go on the numerator. Now they did not write any value for x, correct? So what I will do, they are interested in finding largest term. So largest term means what? X is not going to play any role, means coefficient, no. Here they did not provided you any value of x. If x will take some value, then it can influence the term. But if x will take 1, then it will never influence any term, correct? If it is 5, then it can influence exponentially, correct? So what I will do, I will replace x with 1. Now you know that n is 23. So 23 plus 1, 24 by 1 plus 5 by 2. Okay, so 2 this side and this will become 7. Okay, wait a moment. 7. So it is 8 and then 4. Okay, so here can I write 6 point something, correct? So what will be the value of r? R will take 6, smaller than 6 point something. R is a whole number, no? So r will take 6. So if r is 6, don't you think that uh, like uh, term 7 will be the greatest? Okay, now we are interested in finding ar. Ar, who is ar? Ar is coefficient of term, है ना, means rth term coefficient. So we are interested in finding the coefficient of 7th term. So what is the coefficient of 7th term? It is n c 6, 1 less than that one. Okay, so we will have 1 power n minus 6 and 2 by 5 power 6. So this is the, now you can replace n with 23 and this will give you the largest term. Okay, but we have to find out r now. So who is r? R will be 6. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.